Welcome to Little Learners. Today we learn days of the weeks. Let's go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's repeat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thanks for watching.